Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to share with you this mini fridge that is perfect for my coffee bar. This mini fridge by ICYPOK is so nice. It is a 60 can capacity and it has a smart thermostat. I love it because it's got the stainless frame with the glass door. I am a sucker for any kind of a see-through door that you can tell exactly what contents are in there. And I especially love this because I have it as an addition to my coffee bar. So all of my creamers, everything is right here. So convenient, so ready to use. And it has a smart temperature control. So you have the ability to go from 35 to 65 degrees. And between that and the adjustable shelf in there, it's nice because you can pretty much cool any beverage that you're wanting to drink. Any size, bottle, can, whatever. You can see I have some waters in there, and I just love, like I said, the convenience, the ease of it. It was so easy to set up. It's not taking up too much space. And even this light, y'all, you can turn it off if you don't want to, but I love this little blue light. It just kind of puts off a nice ambient light, especially when all the lights are turned down. So pretty. It's got a great cooling system, very powerful compressor, and overall I'm just so happy with the performance of this mini fridge. Can't say enough about it. So I have absolutely loved the convenience of having this mini fridge right here with my coffee bar. I no longer have to go all the way across the kitchen to get any of my creamers. They're all right here, as well as some water. Who doesn't need to be a little more hydrated? So this is a great mini fridge to have, whether you need it for beverages, creamers, whatever. And that is my point of view.